So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. This is our driver and this is our transformer, and we are using this 220 volt LED, guys. And here is our switch, as you can see. So we want to test it now, guys. So guys, we want to test our project now. As you can see, this is 3.7 volt battery we are using. This is the positive, and this is a switch across it to the middle of this transformer. We are using 606 transformer. I made this by myself. So, and here's our driver also, and this is our bulb. So we are going to test it now, guys. So let me on it. This is our switch. So as you can see, guys, the project is working. This is 3.7 volt battery. So this is a multicolor LED light, guys. So our project is working. I will leave a diagram below on how to make this driver, guys. So this is our battery and the switch. So this is 3.7 volt battery, guys. As you all know, this is a phone battery, and this is our output, 220 volts. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. So as you can see, it has changed.